happy to congratulate my friend Ananya on receiving this award. I've seen you and Mehul grow up together, and the bond that you share is so special. You've always been like a second mother to him. Your love, care, and patience have helped him shape into such an amazing person that he is today, full of love, kindness, warmth. And you know what I love the most is that it's not just you caring for him, but he is as much as a caregiver for you. You know, when you are having a bad day, and if Mehul is around, everything is gonna be okay. And his presence and the way he sings makes life feel complete. So, congratulations. I'm so proud of you both. You totally deserve it.
Hi, I would like to congratulate Ananya for being the best caregiver to her brother. She's been a source of inspiration and a second mother to him. And every little action that improvement or action that he does, she is the one who claps the loudest for him. The most um important memory that I can remember is that there was a time when I was on bed because of some medical condition, and my daughter Ananya really took charge of the house, and along with that, I saw her doing remarkable guidance, giving her remarkable guidance to her brother, and they kind of did things which I had never expected them to do. He could independently like move through metro. He can navigate from his school station to the house station, and he's very comfortable now sitting in a metro among strangers. And also he now does all his bathing and his cleaning up in the washroom all by himself, and all thanks to Ananya. She's been so consistent, and she's been so like determined for him to be independent, and I give all credits to her. And she has been determinal in his progress, and I really cherish this bond that they have between them. So it's such a heartwarming feeling for me as a mother to see my daughter getting felicitations and credit for whatever hard work she's put in her brother. So congratulations, Ananya. I'm so proud of you.
Hi Ananya, congratulations for receiving this award for being an amazing caregiver. I have seen how you handle yourself, how you behave in front of Mehul, how calmly and patiently you speak with him and understand his needs. And I remember when I first met Mehul, I didn't know how to do it. And I thought it would be very difficult, but then I saw you both together and you made it seem so effortless. And not just me, I guess, you teach everyone around you, knowingly or unknowingly, how to deal with everyone, not just neurodivergent people, but then how to be empathetic, how to be a human, and how normal could look different for everyone. You taught me that differently normal things are pretty normal. And I wish you inspire everyone that comes join your journey, that sees how amazing caregiver you are, and inspire someone to take care of their family member whom they have considered difficult, but they are pretty normal.